male presented to us with complaints of left-sided chest pain that was sudden. X-ray showed left-sided pneumothorax. Now we are performing his ultrasound to see the barcode sign. So this is, we are on the normal side. This is on the right side. So this is basically C-short sign. Normal. The above hyperechoic lines, these are basically C, and below it is the sand. Sandy beach appearance, the C-short sign.
Normal side.
And this is normal side. This is probe we have left. We have kept the probe on the right side. So we are coming toward the left side. This is the ultrasound image from the left upper chest. You can see it's a barcode sign due to pneumothorax.
Straight lines.
If you compare right side, which is normal on M mode, and left side, this is barcode sign. It shows the pneumothorax.
ये स्टॉप कर दे.